She is the chair of the University of Maryland School of Engineering. Nii, thank you so much for joining us. Great to have you with us. I just want to ask, we have, of course, this massive bridge, but of course, this huge ship as well, 300 meters long, 96,000 tons. Can you tell us how the impact of this ship would have brought this bridge down?
Well, first and foremost, the bridge is in a very good condition. From the work and studies we have done here at the University of Maryland College Park, we know that the superstructure is very good, But then the piers, in terms of where they are, can be high risks, considering the weight of the ship, the container ship. So what I can say is that it really matters the size of the ship. And for such an impact, it will have a major destruction to major infrastructure, any bridges everywhere, But really, I think what we have to look at is the after effect of this accident. This will cause a major disruption in our traffic, rerouting our traffic through the tunnels we have, and then especially in the transportation of hazardous materials, because that bridge has been the main bridge which we transport most of our hazardous material. So this will change the traffic direction. And again, this accident, like the mayor said, the governor said, will let us work or rethink in the area of resilience of our infrastructure, so that it makes us clear that all the infrastructures are interdependent. One problem can cause others.
Yeah, Nii, that's an important point. If I can just jump in there, Nii, and ask you, you were mentioning, first of all, how important this bridge and this port is. Give us an idea of the role that they play in the movement of goods in this area.
Well, the bridge carries about 31,000 or more vehicles per day. And then, the disruption of the shipping operation, transfer of commodities, and then the supply chain is very critical at this port. So once this accident has occurred, it's just going to change our traffic pattern, not only in Baltimore, not only in the Maryland, but around the eastern corridor of the U.S. And this, again, we have another major effect on our rail transportation. Yeah.
Nii, I also want to ask you, you said that this will open up conversations about the reliability of infrastructure in the U.S. We know that at this point, this appears to have been an accident, that propulsion was lost on the ship, that it hit this column. What could have been prevented there when you talk about reliable infrastructure?
Well, what I said is I want a resilience infrastructure which can withstand when there's extreme events or accident. And again, some of these accidents are due to human factors, So how do we work with the shipping organization, the port authority, the other transportation facilities, bridge facilities, that if there's an accident in one source, it will not have major effect down the line, And this is one of the things I think we are going to learn from this accident. How, again, to protect our infrastructure, not one, but the group of them, because they are like interdependent. And then this cascade effect is something we don't want to happen again.
Absolutely. Really important point there, Nii. Thank you so much for bringing your expertise to us here on BBC News.
Thank you.